Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tips and Tricks to K channel. A knife is a tool we use every day. And one of the biggest issues is that they often become dull due to regular use. There are many knife sharpening methods being used, and some of them are really effective, while some methods are not quite as effective. Today, let's explore a very simple knife sharpening method that anyone can do with ease. Let's get started. Watch the video to see the process in detail. If there's anything you don't fully understand, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to explain everything thoroughly so you can understand it clearly. Where are you from? Feel free to leave a comment to let me know. It feels good to know that we see each other all over the world. I'm always eager to hear your ideas and suggestions for future videos. Leave a comment below with your favorite project suggestions. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. It's great to see your support. Don't hesitate to try this idea and write to me. It makes me very happy to see you on my channel. I'll explain this tool in more detail. It's truly essential. It is used to clamp onto the knife. When we sharpen the knife, it acts as a support point to prevent the knife from tilting too far up or down. These washers function to raise or lower the height. If you remove some washers, the angle of the support will become steeper because the hinge will be raised. And conversely, if you add more washers, the angle will decrease. Therefore, this tool is suitable for all types of knives. Now, we will start sharpening the knife. Make sure to follow the steps in the video carefully. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We are happy to see your feedback. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.